Look at Renoir's The Umbrellas for just a few seconds. Where do your eyes go first? Most likely, you notice the woman in the dark dress at the front. That is not an accident. Renoir places her close to us. Her figure is large, calm, and clear. Around her, the street is crowded with umbrellas, faces, fabrics, and movement. But she feels still. That contrast makes her the first visual anchor of the painting. Now follow your eyes downward and to the right. You may notice the little girl with the hoop. She is smaller, but the circular shape of the hoop attracts attention. It repeats the curved shapes of the umbrellas above. This is one way artists guide us. They repeat shapes so our eyes naturally move from one part of the painting to another. Next, let your eyes travel upward. The blue umbrellas create a rhythm across the top of the painting. They overlap like waves. They are not just objects protecting people from rain. They connect the whole crowd into one moving scene. Then look to the left. A man leans into the composition, pulling our attention back toward the woman in front. So the painting does not have a simple straight path. It creates a loop. Woman, child, umbrellas, figures, and back again. This is the lesson. A good painting does not only show you something. It teaches your eyes how to move. Now pause and try it yourself. Where does your eye go first? What shape moves it next? Which detail brings you back? Once you learn to follow the path of your own eyes, the painting stops feeling crowded. It becomes carefully designed. Art is not only what you see, it is how the artist makes you look.